Hello all. I'm going to teach you people, or I'm going to tell you people how you people can write the answers on the PDF question paper that is been sent by me. Okay, so please go through carefully in this through this video. You will be able to use the applications very easily. There are two applications on which you can write your answer. The first one is Zodo, as I show you people on the screen. You people can observe over here. Okay, on the top left part of your mobile screen. Okay, so then one more application is Adobe Acrobat PDF reader. Okay, you can just download Adobe Acrobat PDF reader, or you can download Zodo PDF reader. So both are enough to write answers onto the question paper. I will show you how to write the answers now through this video. So what I'll do, I will open your WhatsApp. Okay, I have already opened your question paper. Okay, so now I'll go to the question paper, whichever that I have sent now. Just click on that. Okay, once you touch it, you will be asked to open with it either using Zodo or using Acrobat. First I will show you people how to write the answers using Zodo application, which I have already told you. Just once I'll click on. So I have landed on to the question paper page. So once I touch my finger somewhere in the middle of the question paper, I will be getting this option called as edit. Okay, so the second option from the right corner. Okay, so just save a copy for yourself. So select some storage place where you're going to store it. Okay, then you people can click on this edit button. Okay, the some page with pen, whatever that you have on the right corner. Once you click over there, okay, what you will be getting, you will be getting the selector tool and the text tool. This is the text tool which I have switched on now, and this is the selector tool which I have switched on now. Okay, so you can make use of these two, text tool and the selector tool, for writing the answers. Before going to write the answers, let me write some details for you people so that you can feed those details. Just zoom in. Okay, just drag the paper, put your cursor, just a touch where you have section. Just after section you have some dots, right? Touch over there. So a dialog box will get open. That is the text box where you can feed. If you people are from A section, feed it as A section. If you people are from B section, you can feed it as B section, and can just place it over there. Then comes the work of this selector tool. Okay, if you can just select it, delete it, change the color, copy the same thing. Okay, whatever you want you can do. Okay, after that I touch the center of the screen. So then I drag a little. So what I'll do now, I'll enter the register number. I'll again select the text, click it on the dots where it is given after the register number. You will get a dialog box or a text box where you can add your number, like you have 4, 5, 9. Okay, so double E 17890. Just I'm giving a example register number. That may not be a register number. You will be adding your original register number. After that you need to go to name. Just after name you have dots, right? You click over there. Okay, select the text box before and click on the name. You will get one more text box where you can add your name. So my name is Guru Prasad. I am going to add my name over here. Okay, so after that, this has been just it is having a mix match, right? Guru Prasad is written on the dots. Okay, I'm going to take this selector tool, click on Guru Prasad, and you can move this wherever you want. You can just move this and place it down. So click on the center tab. Okay, center of the mobile, you will be able to come back. Okay, so then zoom it again. Just go to the section part. Let me select this. I'll just place it little above it so that it looks TD, clean and TD. Okay, so then I go to the answering part. Okay, just take this text box. Okay, text tool, then go to first question. Okay, so let your first question, just below the first question you have to just click, or you have to just put your finger and touch your screen. Once you touch your screen, what happens, it will open automatically. It gives you a text box. Okay, you can fill anything into that text box, whatever the answer that you have. Define IC, right? So integrated, okay, circuit is an electronic circuit. Okay, this is the ease of using the Google board. Okay, it is not just keyboard, it is a Google keyboard. Okay, whoever have this Google keyboard, almost all mobiles will be having this Google keyboard. I think most of you people are very well known with the application of the Google keyboard. If you don't know, just learn it from it. Whichever the word you want to type, okay, you're just going to select the first letter of that. Integrated circuit is an electronic circuit which has electronic circuit. I'm going to put on which W. I'm going to just drag on all the papers, on all the letters, WHICH, which has, okay, the active and passive components, okay, fabricated okay, on a single silicon, okay, chip. Okay, and that is what it is called as integrated circuit. Integrated circuit is an electronic circuit which has the active and passive components fabricated on a single silicon chip. So this is what the definition that you have written. So save this. Okay, once you save this, it will be available on the screen. Okay, once it is available, you can just edit. Okay, you can just edit, and how many times you want to edit, you can edit, or otherwise you can just go back, take this option, you can change the text color. Okay, you can change the text color to blue. I want all of you people to put the answers in blue color only. That will be suitable because I will be evaluating using the red ink, right? So you need to put it. Okay, you can even change the thickness of the scripts. Okay, thickness of the alphabets, whatever that you have, and you can even change the size of the text. Okay, whatever you want, however you want, and you can put it for 22 or 20 is better. 20 is better, I think. Just drag it near 20, leave it, that's it. So you can check, you can change the opacity, all those things. That is not required for me right now. Okay, I'll not be teaching you all that. So this is how you can put the answers. Okay, then after answering the first question, you need to go below the second question. Just go below the second question, zoom it down. Okay, place your finger just below that and click on the screen. Okay, before going there, you just have to select the text box, then you click over there. You will be able to change it. Okay, cancel. Okay, this is the new box. Okay, in this new box, whatever you want, you can write and you can save it. Once you complete writing and all, so you can save it. So once you complete writing all the answers for all the questions, you can go for next page. You can go for next page, enter all the answers for all the questions, and keep yourself some good amount of time within which you people have to complete the examination. And I strongly believe no one will copy in this examination, because this test is only for checking what you people have learned. Okay, you check yourself what you people have learned. Okay, this is not an examination. It is not going to give you more number of marks, that these and all. It is just a test where you check whatever that you have learned. So if it is successful, and I will be able to evaluate all your answers the same way. I'll go to text. Okay, and what I'll be doing, I'll be just clicking somewhere. Okay, I can do this, or even I can take this pen. Okay, pen option. Okay, I can just mark it correct, mark it wrong. Okay, I can just use the other color, that is let me use red. Okay, so let me reduce the thickness, let me go back, so I can mark it correct. I can give you 2 marks and all. So I can make such corrections and I can send it back to you people, and this is how it is going to be helpful for me to evaluate your booklets. I think I have provided all the information that is required to put the answers onto the PDF using this Zodo. Now I will go to one more application. Let me go back to WhatsApp. Let me go back to WhatsApp. Yeah, this is where we are. Okay, let me go back. Okay, I'll again again. Okay, so I'll click on the question paper. I can select the Adobe Acrobat Reader, whatever that we have. So go to Adobe Acrobat Reader, then you can just click on the you have some option called as editing option over here. You can edit, yeah, you have this option over there. So just go to text, okay, tab where you want to add the text. You can tap over here, there you will get a text box that you can fill it. So whatever your name is, Guru Prasad, yeah, you can save it over there. So which here also, by just selecting it, you can change the color, you can change the font size, whatever you want you can change that, and then you can add your register number. Okay, just zoom in, drag it down, put it over there. So select this text, tab wherever you want to add the text, and then you can just add your register number like 459, etc, etc, etc. Save this, click on that, you will be able to drag it wherever you want. So come back. So this is how you can write on your PDF, and similarly the answers whatever that you want to write, click on text first and then go to wherever you want to put it. So then you can add any answer whatever that you want. It has been written. Good night. Okay, so this is how you can use this. Okay, fine. You can add all the answers. Once you complete answering all the questions, you can send the same to me. Okay, just come back. Okay, have this, share through WhatsApp. Okay, share through WhatsApp to the group whichever that you are linked in, either for third sem C section, third sem A section, third sem B section, digital electronics group, and there you will be finishing your test. So let us see how many of you people will score how many of marks. Okay, I am eagerly waiting for your answer scripts. Okay, fine, thank you. Have a very good day ahead. It is not compulsory. Okay, sorry, before ending the video I will tell you something. It is not compulsory that you people have to send your answers today only. Okay, you can take your time, make your preparation. You can complete the test by tomorrow, or even you can complete the test by day after tomorrow. And once you complete the test, you people are in need to send me the PDFs. Okay, wherein I will be it will be easy for me to evaluate your papers. Once I evaluate, I'll be sending your marks to you people. Okay, fine. Have a good day. Enjoy answering the questions. Bye bye.